Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, Dollar Tree Old Dutch Roasted Chicken flavored chips. These are now $1.25 a piece. They used to be 99 cents. It's no longer the Dollar Tree. Also, the chocolate bars are $1.25 each too, but a couple of these bad boys. A little snack later on. Anyways, let's get into this. Still a bit cheaper than like the corner store and stuff like that, but prices are going up, my friends. All right. I love Old Dutch chips. There we go. Let's get in for Beaver Bite. The crunch on the Old Dutch chips are second to none. For me, they're a tad salty. I like the Old Dutch low sodium chips. They're perfect. Just a tad salty. Great chicken taste though. So let's get in there again. Little stack here. Old Dutch Roastin Chicken chips. Beaver Bite Food Reviews. 8 out of 10. Have a great day. I'm a beaver. One more Beaver Bite. I enjoyed the crunch for sure. There we go.